Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast charts of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 18th of February around 10 p.m. Eastern Times, and we go ahead with our daily charts of the day. Charts of the day is a session that we present for free in the homepage of our site, and we explain free to followers one of the 78 instrument cover in Elliott Wave forecast. We cover 78 instruments in 1 hour, 4 hour dailies and weekly. You can go and you scroll down here, Elliott Wave forecast, the homepage. You can see the charts of the day session here. You can open it, read our opinion there. Now, today we're gonna talk about the S&P, and I want to show you how the charts look inside our members area. This is the latest chart of the S&P over here, right? S&P is an index. These are all the instruments in group one. You click S&P, this is the daily view. This is the early view, the midday view, and the Asia update here. So eventually, members can see all the time frames. They can see the 4 hour view when he almost reached the Ecolex, the daily view that we were expecting here, I put back and higher, and the weekly view. The S&P right here is trading within this cycle, and this cycle comes from April the 7th. But the S&P in the shorter cycles, in my opinion here, just finished, or it looks like it finished, a WXY7 swing structure from the peak. This is A, B, C, that makes W, 3 backs, A, B, C, and Y. And that is a correct structure by nature. You can see it here, A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, Y. We believe that there is a huge chance that the correction ended. This is how the shortest cycle looks like. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We call it completed. We want to be aggressive. Yes, it missed the blue box, I would say, by less than $4 right here. It missed it, our buying area at 67.71. It reached 67.75, $4 right there. And still tomorrow can penetrate the box. Tomorrow the market can set off. And then this B right here can become a B like this, and then the S&P is gonna trade into the box again, some kind of what it did over here, right? ABCW, X, ABC, it did like a flat and penetrate the box again. That's possible tomorrow, but we don't want to show that path. We want to show the more aggressive view with the trend. And we are still expecting new highs in the S&P. We don't recommend selling the indices. That's why you guys see that we don't recommend selling. We provide to members a very strong protection. And if we get back to the side, you can see how we present a report about the blue boxes, right? We present a report about the blue boxes that we should be buying or selling in every single group. And more important, our members can come and ask questions every day. You see, this is 24 hour, a good count and gore. They can always interact for us. It's very dynamic. So if you want to see more about us, please join us. 14 days for 99 cents. That's nothing. And then you will be able to get this opinion up to the minute that the market is trading. The view, we call it a completed, surprise, a new marginal low and higher after. That's the S&P for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day, everyone.